Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yes. How to open it? Mommy.
What are we going to make today?
DJ Bubble.
DJ Bubble is who? Is the octopus?
Who
Who is making the music?
Those tentacles. How did it go? How did it go? How did it go? And how?
Who is out? Can I see?
Mommy, see, I got everything.
Good.
Mommy, one bite. See, it's restored. One bite, 16 brick. This one goes onto here. That's the frame. Put the bushing at the end of this. Put the bushing here in the middle. Oh, put the bushing in the middle of the piece. It's front, not back. It's front. Go the other way. Remember? Oh, yeah. The bushing. This way. Which way? Let me show you. Yeah, it goes like this. Then put another wheel here. Yes, don't tell me. Or if there's some emergencies, you can help build us.
I can.
That's so fun. Mommy, that's how it looks, Mommy. Fold it the back way. See? Silver duper silver line. A silver line. A silver line here. Three bushings on the axle, on this axle. And now, another wheel and a crank. Because it was turning down for the red axle, so that's why you didn't know. Dad, you do need another tire. You need. Yeah, put the next tab. This back. It spins the cams. No, how does this just off the frame, Mommy? Okay. Yes, I see. How does this go? Because the other side to show two bushes. Oh. Good. Okay, and now. And it doesn't look like a cool factory because when the axle spins, all the wheels move. I want to make this cool. No, yeah. Okay. And now this goes like this way. You get the frame, and then the one that goes this side will go onto mine. Not in a second. Oh, I need to leave this like this. Oh, on the third one it fits. Okay. Okay. What is on the third and second one? Space here. Oh, one because I see on the instructions it looks safe. You said it. You need to put it. Oh yeah, you do. Whoa, Mommy, look at. Let me show you. Is that cool?
It is.
Dropping the lead. Okay, and now this goes here, and this goes here. Oh, I thought that was in the hole. You need to bend it as a rectangle shape. Mommy, can you attach this on the chart? And you need to poke a dot. Okay. Mommy, what are these holes for? Just show Mommy. Mommy, the discs move!
Yes, he's a DJ, so his discs should move.
He's DJ, but Mommy, these discs can even make movies. This goes up and down. This goes like and up and down, and up and down, and up and down. Wow, Mommy, I like how these. Oh! It goes onto this hole. Now let's see what it does. Does nothing. More than this one because. Mommy, can you put all the other pictures of mine? Let me get one. No, it's not. And now I'll put the 0 angle degree if you attach to the head. Now let's see how this works. Huh? How it works, Mommy? Let's take off this. We need to. Mommy, can we take off? Give me that.
You didn't put the blue pieces.
Here, let's test it out. All three of them spin. Yeah. Whoa. Its head goes up and down like a bikini tube. Yeah. No. Little pieces. Now let's test out how this all can work. Okay, let me test. I want to test. Let me show you something. See how it goes and jams. So funny. It moves all of this. So funny. The discs. Is this DJ Kenneth? Funny. It's a cool thing. It's a
Let's
really
do a party. You need to dance over there. Let's wait. Now leave it. Give it to Virat. Who is making the music?